Well, guys, Matt and I are at it again. We are quite a ways from home today. We're in Maine. I don't know where we are in Maine, but
there's some fishing boats. Commercial.
Well, here's where we are. Georgetown. Hey, how about those Huskies beating Georgetown Hoyas last night? Patrick Ewing, he still owed me an autograph when I was a kid. When the Big East tournament was at the Civic Center in Hartford, I went over to get his autograph, and he said, yeah, I'll be right back. And I waited for him, and I waited. He never came back. Ewing, you owe me. Forget it, because I don't even want your autograph.
True story?
It is a true story, yeah, true story. 1985 or 84. So what are we doing?
Sometimes I don't know what to say, because sometimes I just don't know what you're doing. But today, we're not even rescuing something, really.
No.
I think we're just buying something today. All right, so Jason got bored one day, and like every day, as you know, he buys 30 VWs a week, and he comes across this red and everything. He's like, had to buy something, and I'm gonna leave it at that for now.
So yeah, we got a 4-hour trek up here, and she's owned it 17 years. My favorite part is someone came out to look at it last night. I was second in line, and I'll let you know if he buys it. Of course he's gonna buy it. It's super cheap. Looks nice from what we can see. Low miles, I think it's got 77,000 miles. He wants to go home and talk to the wife about it because she's never driven it. She can't drive a stick. He's gonna let her know in the morning. I'm like, oh my gosh, here we go. So we bet, is he gonna buy it? Get the text in the morning. You're next. He is not buying it. Shocker. So as you know, it's Christmas time, Festivus time, Hanukkah time, I don't know, some kind of time for some of y'all. And last year I got Jen a large sparkling rock, and I just paid that nugget off, by the way, so pretty happy about that. She's thinking there's gonna be no tears this year. She said the other day, there's gonna be no tears this year for Christmas, I'm guessing, she says. So my plan is, if I bring home another car, she might cry. What do you think?
She's probably gonna cry.
She's probably gonna cry. Not tears of joy and happiness, but just sheer tears. So that's what we're going with here today. We're gonna buy her a cabriolet for Christmas.
The wrong color.
Well, it is, yeah, well.
There's no comfort and joy in this.
No, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
What do you got there?
One of Matt's Christmas cookies. Gingerbread. It's good. Little, what do I call you?
Penny Crocker?
Penny Crocker. What are you thinking? Think it's gonna be good?
I don't know. There's some red flags.
Great. Price is right though, at least.
Yes, price is definitely right.
So I'm doing okay.
Definitely are.
So far.
Yes, so far.
If
I don't see anything else. So,
right. Well, let's go check this car out. It's been a 4-hour ride. And we got to get out of here before the bad weather hits and we're stuck in Maine.
First drive. First stall.
brake?
Yeah.
I did what I used to do. Oh man. Clutch.
Yeah,
I did what I did in
adjust
this
that.
car. I put it in third instead of first.
Watch the ditch. Oh my goodness.
My clutch is all the way down.
Right in the gears.
It's all the way down.
Let's open the garage.
I don't
let's
do
put it
that.
let's put it right back in there.
I don't do that when I drive.
Jeez. It'll go off the bank and next.
Man.
It's hard to watch your own car getting driven. That's just a belt.
Oh, you just put it in the
It'll
mud.
go in reverse this time.
Now it's in the mud.
Alright. I want the clutch maybe all the way down.
The floor mat.
That extra 2 inches.
Is the floor mat in the way? Do you want me to drive it? No, you're fine.
Is it low?
Yeah, it's low. I don't. You can't put it up like that.
No?
No, I'm pausing this.
Speed check. Well, we're only going 7. Trying to capture the sights. And just for the record, my seatbelt is on. Not sure where. All right, guys, we made it back from Maine. I'm filming on my phone because I forgot my GoPro. Matt's a seasoned cabbie guy.
I know a thing or two about a thing or two.
Why don't you fix that seat? What's that first impression? Besides, it smells good. About the only thing I like about this car so far is it smells good. He's yet to drive this car. I drove it, and after driving his is all, you know, tight, set up. Go ahead, fire it up. Oh, okay, go ahead. Clutch? Shifter? What?
We gotta fix the
Shifter?
clutch pedal. I haven't touched the shifter yet. Let's see.
Because, you know, I was grinding gears, so he was making fun of me. So now it's his turn.
No, that's keep this PG. That's messed up also.
Yes.
We gotta fix that.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you that
Okay.
problem yesterday. That's not.
The lady was losing it when I was grinding gears.
Yeah, it's over too far.
Yeah. So you can actually get reverse and first and third. It's kind of tricky, but.
Good. We're starting it up.
All right, fire it up. Is he unhooked? Yeah. What was that?
Sometimes when you give it gas.
Hey, if I film sideways, is it gonna? Oh, whatever. We'll figure it out.
That way.
Huh?
That way.
Yeah.
That way.
So I didn't see the dents. You know, it's got a lot of. It's got some dents here and there. Both bumpers are cracked. Top hasn't been up in 12 years, so it's a little. It's been repainted. You know, things like this you're not going to see. We'll get rid of that god-awful gas cap. But we didn't pay a ton for it. I got 3,400 in it. Drove up to Maine to get it. It's an 88. It's got 77K. I like it because it has vent windows. How's the heat? Oh, we didn't get any. Oh, yeah.
The blower works.
Oh, nice. Kind of failed to mention that there's no levers. That was kind of a weird one for me. But
No clock.
yeah, check the e-brake handle. I told you it's all sloppy. It's all, yeah. It does have an Alpine.
It's
Broken. Does have an Alpine. And it just wouldn't be a car for me lately without the old chip. She showed me this chip down low under the wiper on the passenger side. I'm like, ah, that's cool, nothing. Yeah, we got one right there. Right where yours is.
It's like mine almost.
Every car I buy has a chip lately. I gotta get, these are like 300 a piece, Matt said. That's crazy. All right, back this nugget off. Did you get the seat to stop? No? Whatever.
No, it's locked.
Don't grind reverse like me.
Oh, it has to go way down. This thing's bad.
The clutch?
Oh, yeah.
I told you, yeah.
I can tell.
So you can see where I kind of...
Like you thought here. No,
Oh, okay.
It's too far.
All right.
You adjust it first and go from there.
All right. No reverse lights. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. You're good. Go ahead. You're good. Just take it slow on the descent. Yeah, I know. You know. Oh, hang on. Let me get the other one just back up. Precautionary measure here. Go ahead. Yeah, he's a good driver. Better than me. No reverse lights.
You get the brake issue, I see it.
Yeah.
It's hard, then it goes nothing, and then it's hard.
Yeah.
There's losing pressure somewhere.
So when we jumped in the truck after leaving, what did I say? Something was, it wasn't good.
Why did I buy this?
Yeah, something like that.
No, I know what you're saying.
What?
This is PG, man.
Smell the oil burning right off of this thing.
Well, yeah.
It's got an oil leak. We'll get into it. We're gonna get this thing on a lift. We'll bring it inside.
Oh, yeah, I'm smelling. It smells nice in here. Oh, yeah, it's at the floor. That's all the way down to the clutch. Floor. I move this much.
Yeah.
It kicks on. Look at this. Let's watch it. See my foot? That's all the way down. Watch, you see something.
Yeah,
Way too, it should be way up.
Yeah, it grabs too quick.
Oh, yeah, because either it's totally
On or off.
wasted.
Oh, you think it's bad?
I can adjust it a little bit, but if it's that far down, that's not a good sign.
All right.
Where to put this?
I don't know, back, swing it. That linkage is bad. How's that linkage?
My foot is like, I'm trying to hold the clutch in, but it keeps going because it's on.
All right, so I get a pass on.
Linkage, I think you were, yeah, you were third.
Okay. It wouldn't go on the trailer, and it wasn't really moving, so I didn't know. All right, guys. Well, there it is. The Maine cabbie is home. Matt just looked it over. It has a few issues, a couple oil leaks. He was pretty impressed with it being, you know, not rusted, straight, low miles, nothing he can't fix. He's been through these cars many, many times. So hopefully we can get this to Jen in the near future. Maybe get a reaction out of her. Maybe I end up outside. I don't know. So you guys have a nice holiday, and we'll be seeing you soon with some more updates on the cabbie and Larry's 59. Take care, guys. How do you see through this thing?
You have it on?
What do you mean?
Did you turn it on?
I didn't turn it on. No,
You're a blind welder.
you gotta turn it on?
Yeah, you gotta turn it on.
I don't know.
Can you see now?
Oh, now I can see.